How to make turmeric tea for cough. DIY remedies. Turmeric is a natural remedy for various health conditions, including cough. While a cough is not always a chronic disease, it may disrupt your daily life for several days. Medicated cough syrups are the typical go-to solutions for people dealing with the effects of a cough, such as sore throat, headache, chest pain, mild fever, and itchy throat. However, these syrups only heal the pain in your throat. They don't often solve the problem. Turmeric tea is a proven solution for treating a cough, soothing it, and reducing inflammation. It contains antioxidant and antiviral properties that can strengthen your immune system and fight cough symptoms. If you or a loved one is troubled by a cough, here is how to prepare turmeric tea to heal the condition. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This ingredient may help to minimize the irritation in your respiratory tract. 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger. Ginger contains natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help relieve throat irritation and boost respiratory health. 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey boasts antibacterial properties and can help in soothing your sore throat. It also brings a natural sweetness to the turmeric tea. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C and can add a refreshing citrus flavor to your turmeric tea. It can also help break down mucus and deliver relief from congestion. 1 cup of water. Water serves as the turmeric's tea base and helps infuse the healing properties of turmeric, honey, ginger, and other ingredients. Instructions. Step 1. Boil water. The first step in making turmeric tea for cough is boiling a cup of water. Let it cool slightly before going to the next step. Hot water warms the tea and makes it edible. You may not find it drinkable if it's not warm. Step 2. Add ginger and turmeric. Once the hot water is cooled, add ginger and turmeric to the cup of water. Pour half a teaspoon of ginger, grated, and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Use a spoon to mix both ingredients. Their combined healing power will eliminate inflammation in your throat. Step 3. Steep the mixture. It's time to let the water absorb all the beneficial properties of turmeric powder and ginger. Stir the mixture well and steep for about 7 to 10 minutes. The water would have absorbed enough components to treat your cough within this period. Step 4. Strain the tea. Next, you want to get the tea ready and good enough for consumption. Some solids would remain in the tea after mixing the turmeric powder and ginger. These solids may make the tea less enjoyable, so strain the tea and discard any ginger or turmeric particles to ensure an enjoyable and smooth drinking experience. Step 5. Add honey and lemon juice to the mixture. Now that you've strained your turmeric tea and there's no solid to interfere with your drinking, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir well to ensure that the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Step 6. Enjoy your tea warm. As mentioned in the first step, warm is best for turmeric tea. Therefore, we advise drinking your tea while it's still warm. Besides making the drink enjoyable, the warmth provides additional comfort for your sore throat. Your cough will go away over time. In conclusion, medicated solutions are great, but natural DIY remedies like turmeric tea are excellent. While medicated cough syrups are often expensive and less effective, turmeric tea is cheaper and more effective for treating a cough. The mixture of the beneficial properties of turmeric, honey, ginger, and lemon creates a soothing and healing solution for your cough. However, if your cough persists after drinking turmeric tea, consult a healthcare professional for evaluation. A persistent cough may be a symptom of a chronic condition, so it's best to see a doctor and get an early diagnosis, which may save your life or prevent you from spending days or months on a sickbed. Please note, natural remedies like turmeric tea should complement medical advice and treatment. They shouldn't replace medical procedures. Following are references we used in creating this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.